Okay, hello everybody. Not really much to say. Reason I haven't made enough videos is because I've been sick. But I have two videos that I'm going to edit. They're like almost done. So yeah. So here we go. Keeps nice and scrambled. Alright, let's see here. Give myself a 15-second spectrum time. Okay. Okay. So 50-19. Yep. So, I'll throw a video out there. You can tell my voice is a lot higher than normal. It's because I'm sick-ish, I guess. So yeah, I have two videos. I'm gonna upload those soon. So peace. Turn off, you idiot.